After you've installed the Secure Shell extension into Chrome, you need to put your micro SD card in your Pi and connect the power source to it and allow the Pi to boot up. You need to probably wait about 2 to 3 full minutes for it to do that. Once you do, the light on the Pi should stop flashing and kind of just be a solid dark color. It looks to me like red. Uh, the next thing we'll do then, after we've allowed the Pi to boot, is we have to disconnect from the school network and connect to the Enders network, which allows us to be able to print through the Enders, through the Pis on the Ender. So we'll go over to the wireless uh, internet access over here. It's just internet access, not necessarily wireless, and I'll click that. It should show whatever list of wireless connections there are. Right now we're connected to the BYOD, so we'll disconnect from that. By doing that, it takes us off the school network and we do not have internet access from this point. That's why it's important to install the Chrome extension, the Secure Shell extension in Chrome, before we disconnect from the school. But then we'll go find Enders 752. Now, if that's not appearing in the list, you need to talk to me and let me know so that I can plug in the router. We have to unplug the router pretty much as we can, because otherwise it may cause some interference with the school network, and he just said it's better to have it unhooked. So we'll go click on the Enders 752 and connect. If we connect automatically, then it'll connect to that all the time instead of the school network if it's available and cause you some grief. So it will go out, takes a little while, kind of a slow router. But eventually it'll ask you for the password to log into this router and we can then log in. Okay, I had already typed in the password last time, but the password for this router is 8765431. Once we're connected to this, we can go ahead and close that. And if I go into Chrome, it will come up with whatever cached pages I had before. But if I try to go to one of those, it'll say the site can't be reached. So we aren't going to worry too much about that because we're just trying to get into the Pi at this point. So up here in the right-hand corner where we pinned our Secure Shell extension, we're going to click that and go to the connection dialog. And this is where I will attempt to log into my Pi. And there's kind of a process to figure out how to do this. I need to know what my Pi's IP address is so that I can connect to it. Now, I know that this one is already 192.168.1.20 because I've already set a static IP address to this. But if you didn't know what yours was, we would have to have a way to find that. So there is a way, and I'll show you what that is, but it won't work at school for you necessarily because of the way they have things set up, but it would work at home if you were trying to find your IP address of your Pi after you'd connected it